Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Biscuits Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe for biscuits, or also known as half bread. I'm going to add 150 gram of butter, soft butter, and 1 cup of sugar. Next, we are going to add 2 eggs. Two tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix properly until all ingredients are mixed together. As you can see, all ingredients are mixed together. Then we are going to add our flour. I've used all-purpose flour, 3½ cup, and mixed with 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We are going to add milk. Milk is optional. You can add or leave it out, but I will add in this recipe to make it a little bit flavor. So I will use ½ cup of milk. As you can see, our dough is done, very soft. I'm going to use a plastic. You can use any wrapper that you have in your house by rolling it down. I always use a plastic because I don't like it when it sticks on the floor. So to make it easier for me, I'll use a plastic or a rolling paper. I will press it down as much as flatter as I want it. I will use a fork to make lines or patterns. I will use a cutter in this one. You can also use a glass to make the shapes, or any shape that you want. This is how it looks. Then I'm gonna bake this on 360 degrees, 20 up to 30 at least maximum minutes. Here is our biscuits. I'm going to make cream for it. On this recipe, I'm using jam cream. You can also use chocolate cream. You can also use powdered sugar cream mixed with milk. Whatever you feel like putting it in between. It's all up to you. This is my jam cream. Simple snack, you can make it in your own home with the simple ingredients that you have in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.